guys. So guys, I ordered this jacket. I don't know if you guys seen it trending over on Instagram. And it was easy something, but the website wound up being a scammer, a host. You're never going to get your stuff or whatever. And then there was multiple sellers on there, but they do false advertisement. So the actual jacket had real pearls on it and real stones. The actual jacket that I saw online. So they sent me, you guys see, this is a little flimsy thing that they sent me. So guys, what I've been doing, taking it upon myself to add the stones to this jacket. And I'm going to have to do a hook and eye right here, guys, to kind of make it go. But yeah, the jacket, if you guys see, it don't have no stones on it for real. It gives dummy stones. So if you guys wind up ordering this jacket and you guys are disappointed and you wind up getting this, guys, but it cost me $59. This jacket was not worth $59. But it took so long to come. I never got my other stuff, so I wound up filing a dispute against the company. And because all of it was in one, and I wind up, you know, sometimes the dispute, you win, they close it out, you wind up with the leftover merchandise. But I wind up adding this to it. So if you guys wind up getting this jacket, and if you can't send it back, add your stones yourself. So this is what I wind up doing. So I don't know if I'm going to do stones all over the back or not, because probably when you sit down, but I'm just going to probably do it to the front and add little trinkets. So thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so you see I'm got the front part of done, but I think it will look better to do the back. So this is the ribbon that I'm using, guys. So if you guys ever see this ribbon on eBay or Amazon, put in rhinestone ribbon, I believe it's called, and then you cut it. And I'm using a hot glue gun because the E6000 takes more time to set. So, and I think I'm going to get some interfacing, iron-on interfacing to make the jacket a little bit more stiff. So you see, there's nothing on the back yet. But I think it will look a whole lot better if I put stones all over. And then I'm going to have to do a hook and eye to fasten it, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here we go right here. But, guys, add stones to it, and it will look a lot better if you guys wind up getting bamboozled and getting this in the mail. Or you guys can send it back. If not, make your own denim jacket and add stones and pearls to it. You can find everything from Hobby Lobby.